So I'm going to use our 101 342. It's our Pitman arm wrench for the Ford OE Pitman arm. Okay. There it goes. So with every steady track kit on the 17 and up trucks, we flip the Pitman arm and we go back to the 11 to 16 style Pitman arm. We flip the drag link. So to do that, we use a new Ford 11 to 16 Pitman arm, which looks like this. And we include a much larger chromoly nut. So the factory Pitman arm nut is right here. It's 46 millimeter nut. We go to a 2-inch, but the bigger thing is the thickness. So the factory nut doesn't use all the threads on the steering gearbox shaft thread right there. So we include a few more threads, so we're able to get more clamping force and torque it to a higher torque spec and make sure this never is a failure point for you. So to install this, since most people don't have a 2-inch socket at home, we make this tool. It's part number 101341. And I'll open this bag up real quick and show you if I can get this open. Here it comes. So we make a wrench. Looks like that. It's gonna slide right over that nut and allow us to torque this down. This nut gets torqued to 500 foot-pounds, so it's quite a bit. So we'll go under the truck here